Hi, welcome to the second tutorial about Apache Solr. This time I will show you how you can create core using schemaless approach. Let's start from starting the server with command solr start. Great, our server is up. The next step is to create core using create command. Solr create, and now we need to specify the name of the core. In my case it will be YouTube tutorial schemaless. Great, our core has been created. Now I will access Solr using web app. Here you can find your newly created core, and we go to the section schema, where you can add new field or check which fields have been created. By default, all the fields are created, and we have ID field, which is unique key field for the collection. I have prepared example data about songs. I have field artist, song name, ID, which is unique ID link to the song, and also text of this song. And now I want Solr to create all these three fields for me dynamically. But before I will do it, I want to show you where you can find all information about your core. You need to go to the main directory of Solr, then go to server, Solr, and here you will find your core. All the information you will find in conf directory in manage schema file. And as you can see here, we have our fields. So now let's load data and check how this file will be changed. Remember to specify this particular handler for CSV data. Okay, we have loaded our data and the file was changed. Now you can find in this file all the additional fields. Also, this is the right moment and the right field to change the types, for example, or add another values. And I will just copy this attributes to another fields. Also, I will change this type. So maybe let's see in schema how it looks like. You can see text general for song. And now I will change it to text English. Save the file, and now I will reload the core. It can be done in section core admin. Let's go to schema again and check song field. Yes, now we have another type, text English. We can select our collection and we get 5 documents. Also, we can query all songs created by ABBA. And it should be 3 songs. Exactly. This is all in this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye, take care.